Whenever we want to slim down our legs, the very first things that most women think about is need to eat salad, need to go to the gym and sign up to the gym, or find exercise that will tone up my muscles, because this is exactly what I need to get those beautiful legs. It's not just about toning the muscles, but it's about how we shape them. There are stretches that you can implement in order for your muscles to shape and elongate beautifully and not look like this when you're walking in stilettos. So what I want you to do today is to implement this routine to your everyday workout. This will shape your muscles and elongate it with stretches. Oh, you don't have a workout routine and you don't have a plan? Oh, don't worry, you can download my Get Ballerina Fit workout plan. It's completely free and it's 5 days. It's right there in the description box below. And once you downloaded it, let's get back here and let's get shaping. Because it's not just about pumping and going to do a lot of workouts, a lot of squats and all that, but it's also about the elongation and how we massage our muscles to be absolutely beautiful. So let's start with the first exercise that I want you to implement right away after your workout routine. So let's get the whole leg into account. We start from feet and calves, and then we go up to inner thighs and outer thighs, and obviously our quads muscles. So because they're the biggest ones, let's start with our quads muscles. This stretch here, of course you know it, has been around for a long time. What I want you to think about is really trying to elongate the front of the leg and the hip flexor as well as the psoas muscles. So how do we do this? We can start from a simple quad stretch and then push and open up our leg into what is then later becoming a dancer pose. This shape here is not only going to elongate and shape the quads and the front of the leg, but is also going to elongate the front of our tummy and make a beautiful shape into the whole front of the leg, which is exactly what you need whenever you're walking beautifully and tall in your stilettos. Passing down to the crucial part of every woman. We don't want to see those little flabby bits in between our legs. I don't know what it is, but hey, ladies, it's muscles that is not being worked right now. But we can elongate it and stretch it in order for it to look beautifully nice. Hey, the theme of the video is stretching, so let's get into that stretch. One of my favorite stretches is this lunge, this side lunge. You can get it down either with parallel feet or with open legs. Either way, it is going to lengthen what is the inside of the leg, making that inside leg finally elongated. And I know that you're thinking, but what about the outer leg? Oh yes, so let's get into this. Stretch your legs and start moving the hips to the side, to the outer side. Twist your arms and feel the elongation of the outer leg as well. Oh yes, the IT band is going to love you for that. And of course, you're gonna love it too, because you're gonna have beautiful toned legs with long shaped muscles. And of course, we're going to get down onto our calves. Everyone is so worried about stretching the calves that no one really thinks about underneath our foot. What do you mean? Did you know that the Achilles tendons goes from all the way from the big toe up all the way at the back of your calf? So if we do not floss and stretch and elongate our tendons and our ligaments, of course those poor muscles are going to be cramp together. So the very first thing that I want you to do is, yes, getting that nice beautiful stretch of the calf, but let's get down and let's stretch the bottom of our foot. You can either do it on the floor like this, or if you find a door, get your big toe stretching against the wall like this. You can move the knee from one side to the other, and it's also very good because you can avoid tendinitis, and it can give you a big relief if you stand on your feet for a long time every single day. And it's going to make the line of the stilettos super rugged and steady. And of course, this routine needs to be done every time you do your workout, because we bump and we bump and we bump the muscles, and then we stretch it out. What are you saying? Oh, you want to follow me doing it together? That's all right, I've got you covered. Why don't you follow this video right here? It will get your legs beautifully shaped. Do it right here, right now.